Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up alarms and timers on Garmin Forerunner 70. Okay, to do it, all you gotta do is to hold the middle left button and then go to clocks. And in here we have our alarms and timers. And now, if you want to add an alarm, simply select it and then set the hour. For example, let's go with 7 a.m. Then select the minutes and also confirm. Now select, is it PM or AM? And then confirm. Now you can select how often does it repeat. We also have the smart wake function. The smart wake alarm creates a 30-minute window for your Garmin device to attempt to wake you with optimal timing based on your sleep. If you set your alarm for 8 a.m. example, and many more, that's the thing that you can enable. You can select when is it going to repeat. You can select the custom date. Also sound and vibe. And when it comes to, if you want to save it now, click on save. You can of course add more alarms. And when it comes to the timers, they are below clocks. In here, click on edit. You can add a new timer. You can select the amount of seconds, then minutes, ending on hours. And then if you want to start it, hit the button. Really simple thing. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.